Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. I'm going to try, this eBay store. I know I've had a couple people, most people don't have issues ordering from my website, but there's been a couple times where some people had some issues. So I'm hoping by having this eBay store, it will help those people. Now, I just started this, so the products you see in this video, there's maybe more added, just to let you know that. But also, I want to let you know the cost is going to be more on eBay than compared to buying it from my store direct. And most likely, I won't be running any sales if I choose to do so. It won't be happening on eBay. Now, the reason being is because, let's be honest, eBay's a pain in the ass. I've done this before. They're kind of miserable to deal with. They have their fees that keep going up, hence why my price will be more if you go through eBay. And on top of it all, they have restrictions on what links you can post in your ad. They also give me a deadline when stuff has to be mailed out. Now, as you most know, all my stuff is custom made per order. So that may be an issue. I don't know. We shall see. Those are the reasons why I'm not a fan of eBay. Now, I'll give it a try. Like I said, I'll post a link to my eBay store in the description below, but I just want to be clear about why the cost is going to be more if you go through eBay. And also, too, I should mention, the price you see in this video may not be the price when you go to the store because they're, like I said, the fees are always going up, and I'm going to be fine-tuning this once I see what the fees are when they start taking them out as I go on with this. So just to forewarn you, that's the reason why it's going to cost more if you choose to go through eBay. Like I said, I've done eBay before in the past, and it was a pain. I'm not a fan of it. I know it can be convenient for people, and that's why for the few that are having issues, I'm hoping this will help them be able to do their purchasing. So there you have it. I'll post a link down below to the eBay store. Keep checking it out. If it disappears, it's because I got fed up with them. Because what they'll do is they'll shut my ad off. That's like I've been down this road before with eBay, and I posted stuff on there, and I had YouTube links, and they shut my ad down. So I'm not fuzzy about it. So just a heads up, if you go to link someday and it's not working, I got fed up with them and I'm taking a break from eBay. Like I said, their rules keep changing, their fees keep changing. It just, we'll give it a try. So at any rate, if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you and have yourself a good day.